Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we'll show you how to apply for a CC Flow line of credit from Advance Financial 24/7. We will put links in the description below for similar cash advance apps. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our future videos. To start, open the website af247.com, then click on Get Cash Now. First, enter your phone number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Then click on Continue. The phone number you provided will be verified using a one-time passcode. To proceed, click on the button that says Yes, Verify by One-Time Passcode. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Confirm. Review your information. You could make changes if there are mistakes. Next, create an account by entering the email address and password you wish to use. Also, answer the question below, read the policies, and click on the tick boxes to confirm and authorize. Then click on Next. For identity details, select a photo ID type, the state where it was issued, and enter the photo ID number. Also, provide details about your source of income, enter all the required information. Then select where you bank and provide the necessary info. After that, click on Next. And now you'll see if your application is granted or if they are not able to meet your borrowing needs, the same as our case. But that's how you apply for a CC Flow line of credit from Advance Financial 24/7. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.